Hello everyone, this is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE, located in Richmond Hill, Georgia, near Savannah on the coast. And I just put power to the Bauer, as they say, but I'm not putting out ERF. I don't have, I've redid a lot of stuff on here, and still need to get a jumper made up for the antenna, which is leaking oil even when it's not being used. Don't you love these cheap things? There's a crystal I've installed. There's a nice little scratch, which I could have busted myself in the head for that. All the tubes looking good. Of course, there's no final screen because we're not transmitting. I need to adjust some of these parameters. It's been a while since I've done anything with this. So far, no problems. But this is a major milestone. I did all the HV wiring replaced. I fixed a lot of things that I missed the first go around or just did not get around to doing. I did not end that sentence in a preposition. I made note of that. There's the control relays down on the bottom. We've swept and vacuumed out the interior. And so, you know, we're very hopeful here. So this is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE, with an update on the Bauer 707, which has sat idle for, actually, if you think about it, 4 years while I dealt with health issues. Have a good day. Bye-bye.